channel Aviation Tech. I hope you all are clear with my last video. In that video, I was discussed remaining part of weight and balance. Today I came in front of you with a new video. In that video, I discussed engineering drawing. I hope you all are watched end of the video. Before that, do not forget like, share and comment for more videos. Now come to our new topic and let's start. Engineering drawing for AME. So, introduction. Engineering drawing is a graphical language. It is also called engineer language, and it is the actually vehicles of expression between the drawing of office and the workshop, between the textbook and the student. मीन्स ये इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग जो होता है एक तरह का ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है, ग्राफिकल लैंग्वेज होता है, एंड इसको इंजीनियरिंग लैंग्वेज ही बोलते हैं, इंजीनियर लैंग्वेज ही बोलते हैं इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग को. एंड इट इज एक तरह का एक्सप्रेशन है जो कि हम वर्कशॉप एंड ड्राइंग ऑफिस के बीच जो उसके डिस्टेंस होता है उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. मोस्ट स्पेशली इट कम्युनिकेट ऑल नीड इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द इंजीनियर हु डिज़ाइन अ पार्ट ऑफ द वर्कर्स हु विल मेक इट. मोस्ट स्पेशली इसमें हम हर एक इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड होता है इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में. इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग कॉमन फीचर्स. ड्राइंग कवरेज ऑफ फॉलोइंग क्रिटिकल इंफॉर्मेशन. ज्योमेट्री, डायमेंशन, टॉलरेंस, मटेरियल, फिनिशिंग. मीन्स ज्योमेट्री, क्या ज्योमेट्री है, और डायमेंशन कितना किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का कितना डायमेंशन है, एंड टॉलरेंस कितना वो अलाउेबल वेरिएशन ऑफ ईच डायमेंशन में है, एंड मटेरियल किस चीज़ का वो मटेरियल ऑब्जेक्ट बना हुआ है, एंड फिनिशिंग उसका एक्चुअल में फिनिशिंग कितना है. ड्राइंग टूल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ड्राइंग टूल. ड्राइंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट आर टू बी prepared drawing easily and accurately. The accuracy of drawing depend largely on quantity of instrument. Below is a list of minimum quantity of drawing instrument and other drawing material which a student must possess. This kind of drawing instrument: first, drawing board, tree square, set square. Drawing instrument box containing lengthening bar, small bow compass, large size divider, small bow divider, small inking pen, and fifth is scale, and sixth protector, French curve, drawing paper, drawing pencil, sandpaper block, eraser, duster, drawing pin, drafting machine. These are 14 drawing equipment are required to make a perfect drawing. To easy way understood of the any graphical language. First, drawing board. What is drawing board? What is the importance of drawing board? Why are you use the drawing board? Then, drawing board is a rectangular in shape and is made of well seasoned wood, and there are parallel grooves backside cleared with two battles to prevent warping. मीन्स ड्राइंग बोर्ड एक रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का होता है और ये बना होता है सीजनड वुड का, और इसके बैक साइड में दो ग्रुप्स होते हैं जो कि बैटल के परपेंडिकुलर होता है. वो प्रिवेंट करता है, वार्पिंग से प्रिवेंट करता है. वन, वार्पिंग मीन्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होना, सिकुड़ना. टेम्परेचर with the help of when temperature are varying, then warping are created. Then it's use of battle or groups to the backside of the drawing board to prevent the warping. One edge of the board is used to working edge. ड्राइंग बोर्ड का एक एज होता है वो उसको बोलते हैं वर्किंग एज, एट विच द टी स्क्वायर इज मेड टू स्लाइड. मीन्स जो ड्राइंग बोर्ड का एक साइड होता है वो वर्किंग एज होता है ताकि हम वहाँ पे टी स्क्वायर को स्लाइड करा सकें. In some board, this edge is grouped throughout its length and it is perfectly straight. Ibno edge is fitted inside these groups to provide a true and more durable guide for the T square to slide down. T square. What is T square? T square T square should be of hard quality wood. It consists of two parts, stock and blade, joined joined together at right angle to each together by means of screw and pin. The stock is placed adjoining of the working edge of the board and is made of slide on it, and when required, blade lies the one of the surface of the board. Now a dead T square is also available for cellulose and plastic and in glass scale. मीन्स टी स्क्वायर का मटेरियल ये होता है सेलुलोज्ड एंड प्लास्टिक इन ग्लोब्स स्केल. See the figure of T square. It's provide a parallel straight edge of the bearing. Use. What is the use of T square? T square is used for drawing horizontal line. जो T square होता है हम उसको यूज़ करते हैं एक horizontal line ड्रॉ करने के लिए. And the working edge of the T square is also used as a base for set square to draw vertical inclined or mutually parallel line. जो T square होता है वो एक तरह के सेट स्क्वायर के बेस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं टी स्क्वायर को, जो कि हम वर्टिकल जो सेट स्क्वायर होता है वो ड्रॉ करता है वर्टिकल लाइन और इंक्लाइंड म्यूचुअल परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. टेस्टिंग द स्ट्रेंथनेस ऑफ वर्किंग एज ऑफ द टी स्क्वायर. वर्किंग एज का हम टेस्टिंग स्ट्रेंथ चेक करते हैं टी स्क्वायर से. एंड सेकेंड, सेट स्क्वायर. द सेट स्क्वायर इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड. जो सेट स्क्वायर होता है वो वुड का बना होता है. वुड, टिन, सेलुलॉइड और प्लास्टिक. those made up of celluloid plastic are commonly used as they retain their shape and accuracy for longer time. Plastic का in modern day some people used mostly people used plastic because accuracy and longer time are running. Two forms of set square are in a general use. Generally use a two form of set square. First, they are triangular in shape and one corner and each is right angle. First, triangular in shape, one corner and each is right angle. And second, 30 and 60 degree set square, 250 mm length and 45 degree set square and 250 mm length are convenient size for use in school and college. Means in present time 30 and 60 degree set square are used, and second 45 degree set square are used in school and college. Length is on 250 mm is most convenient size of use for general use of set square. For drawing all straight except the horizontal line, सेट स्क्वायर यूज करते हैं ऑल स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए एक्सेप्ट हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन विच आर यूजली ड्रॉ with the T square. Vertically line can be drawn with T square and set square. In combination with the T square, 30 or 60 angle with vertical or horizontal line can be drawn with 60 degree set square and 45 degree angle be drawn 45 set square. Two set square used simultaneously along the T square will produce making means 30 and 60 degree combination to draw this type of line. 50 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree and 105 degree to draw line. Combination of these set square. Parallel straight line in any position, not vary part, as well as line perpendicular to any line from given point within out outside it can be also draw two set square. A circle can be divided in 6, 8, 12, 24 equal part of using set square and t square. Drawing instrument box containing large side compass with interchangeable pencil and pen leg, lengthening bar, small bow compass, large size divider, small bow divider, small ink pen, inking pen. This compass is used for drawing circle or arc. Means large size compass or interchangeable pencil leg. This type of compass are used to draw a circle and arc. It consists of two leg means and its upper end hinge together. A pointed needle is fitted at lower end of one leg and will pencil leg insert in the other up to about 120 meter diameter and the draw means this type of compass are used to draw circle and arc about diameter circle diameter up to about 120 mm diameter to draw. Lengthening bar, circle of more than 150 degree radius. Draw lengthening bar means draw a circle more than 150 mm radius means 75 mm diameter or to use draw a circle with the help of lengthening bar. See the figure of lengthening bar or extension bar. Extension bar are available for large low under compass or draw large diameter circle. Small bow compass means small bow compass. For drawing small circle means small bow compass means only draw a circle and arc with a less than 25 mm radius, and particularly when a large number of small circle of small diameter arc to draw small bow compass means to draw a small circle small arc with the to use a small bow compass. That's it. Curve draw with the compass should be same darkness as that straight line. It is difficult to extra the same amount of pressure on the lead in the compass as on the pencil. Large side divider. It has two leg hinge at its upper end and it's provided with steel pin at both the lower end, but it does not have the knee joint. Divider is used as to divide curve to curve at straight line into desired number of equal part, to transfer dimension from one part to another drawing to set of given distance from a scale to drawing. Small bow divider. The small bow divider is adjusted by a nut and very convenient for making minute division and large number of short equal distance. Means small bow divider means adjust a nut means स्मॉल बो कंपास को हम नट के थ्रू एडजस्ट करेंगे एंड वेरी कन्वीनियंट होता है जो माइन्यूट डिवीज़न करने के लिए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इक्वल डिस्टेंस डिवाइड करने के लिए. स्मॉल बो inking pen. It is used for drawing small circle and arc in ink. Inking pen. This is used for drawing straight line and non-circular arc in its ink. It consists of pair of steel nibs fitted to a holder made of steel. That's it. Scale. Scale are made up of wood, steel, celluloid, plastic and cardboard. Rustless steel scale are more durable. 15 degree 15 centimeter longer and 2 centimeter wide, or 30 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide flat scale are common use. This numerical value are very important. They are usually about 1 mm thick. Scale of greater thickness has their long as well beveled. This helps in making measurement from the scale to the drawing paper accurately. The scale is used to transfer the true or relevant dimension of an object to the drawing. The scale should never be used as a straight edge for drawing line. The cardboard scale are available in set of 8 scale design from 1 mm to 8 mm. Today's topic is stop here, and in next day I will discuss here protector. And thank you.